Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon SES for transactional email deliverability detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Amazon's simple email service, or SES, for transactional email deliverability, begin by signing into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the SES dashboard. Select the region where you want to set up SES. On the left side menu, click on Email Addresses under the Identity Management section. Click the Verify a New Email Address button. Enter the email address you wish to verify. You will receive a verification email at this address. Click the verification link in that email to complete the process. Once verified, return to the SES dashboard. Next, navigate to the Domains section in the left menu. Click on Verify a New Domain. Enter your domain name and select the checkbox for Generate DKIM Settings. Click the Verify this domain button. You will be presented with DNS records that need to be added to your domain's DNS settings. Log into your domain registrar or DNS provider. Add the MX records, TXT records for SPF, and DKIM records as provided by Amazon SES. Wait for these DNS changes to propagate. After propagation, return to the SES console to check the verification status of your domain. Once verified, proceed to set up your sending configuration. Navigate to the SMTP settings section on the left. Click on Create My SMTP Credentials. An IAM user will be created for sending emails. Download the SMTP credentials file securely and store it for future reference. Next, choose an email sending library or service that supports SMTP. Configure it with the SMTP credentials you just created. Make sure to use the SMTP endpoint specific to your region. To improve your email deliverability, consider setting up feedback loops. In the SES console, go to the Email Sending section. Enable feedback forwarding to receive notifications about bounces and complaints. Test your sending setup by sending a transactional email to yourself. Check your inbox for the email to ensure it arrives successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.